I am going to show you how to download and install the Accedian Skylight PVX virtual appliance. The supported environments today are VMware ESX 4.x and higher. The minimum requirements for testing: 2 gig of RAM and 1 virtual CPU. However, recommended 4, 6, or 8 gig of RAM and 2 or better 4 CPUs for the best performance. Also a requirement is 2 network interface cards. One will be used for the management and how we actually talk to the Performance Vision Skylight PVX appliance, and the second NIC will be used for packet capture or for sniffing. So let's go download and install the software. The first step will be to go to performancevision.com and click on the free trial button. You'll need to fill out the appropriate information, where a download link will be sent to you in an email. So go ahead and fill out your 15-day trial for Skylight PVX, and the link will be sent to you, and then we'll show you how to download that. Once you receive the download link, it should take you to the ability, give you the ability to download. And again, you can see here there is Skylight PVX OVA for VMware 5.0 or later. There's also the Skylight for VMware version 4. And also you notice here it says VirtualBox is not officially supported in production. The first step in connecting your VMware ESX is to actually connect through vSphere to your ESX host. Click File, Deploy OVF Template. Then you'll click to the Browse button, find the template that you just downloaded. Next, you'll see the information there under the template details. Click Next. You'll see the end user license agreement. Again, I'm sure you'll read all of it, but you have to accept the license agreement. Click Accept. And next you'll see the name of your host. We're going to call this apps-virtual, APS_virtual. Click Next. The host and cluster, specific host we want to deploy it on. In this case, we've selected that 10.1.0.11. Click Next. And we should see the disk information pop up here after we click Next. And if you know what you want to do in this step, go ahead and click it. Otherwise, just choose the thin provision and click Next. Under the network settings, you'll see admin. Don't do anything here. We'll talk about configuring that here in the next video, next step. Then go ahead and click Next. And you should see pretty much everything is set up there. Good to go. Just check it all out. And when you're done, if it looks good, click Finish. But as we see, we've got everything there ready to go and installed. Click Finish. And your VM is built here. You should now have the virtual appliance software installed on your ESX host. In the next video, we will talk about how to configure port mirroring, port monitoring, the vSwitch, setting all that up, etc. But for now, your virtual appliance should be configured. Thank you.